slime. We make a slime.
What's your name?
Hudson and I, Rangle.
Hi, I'm Rangle. And yes, we're making slime today. This is from Far Out Slime by Scientific Explorer. Before you do anything, you have to make guar gum. You're doing great. Good job. It's like the basis to the rest, all 4 or 5 of the slimes that you can make with this kit. Today we're gonna make Protoplasmic Slime. It's slime that looks alive. You excited?
Yeah.
Slime that looks alive?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow, that setup was scary. Okay, we get our guar gum here. It says to stir the guar gum solution. It says to pour about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of the guar gum solution into a cup or glass. All right, Hudson, what does this look like? Does this look like snot? Hudson, what's this look like?
Slime.
Yeah, right? It almost looks like slime already. So we put that in our cup. Hudson, that was such a good idea to get a little bowl so we could put our used instruments in. Next step, using the pipette, which is this here. This is a pipette.
Yeah.
Comes with a pipette and food coloring. We need 5 to 10 drops of STB solution.
Okay, let's do a rainbow.
You want to do a rainbow?
Rainbow, yeah.
Hey, let's just keep this in the bowl, okay? This is the sodium tetraborate solution, or as they say, the STB solution. We got our pipette. Hudson, can you help me count?
Count, yeah. 1, 2.
No, yeah. Can you count the drops? Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
8, 9, 10.
All right, that's 10. That is 5 to 10. We use 10. So we stir in 5 seconds and we see what the consistency is.
Yeah, 1 second. The number.
Oh, look at that, Hudson.
Look at that.
Does it get a little more slimier?
Wait a minute.
Repeat step 2 until it gels into a single blob of slime. I think we need a few more drops.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got our, do you remember what this is called?
Swap.
Pipette.
Pipette.
Yep. Hold on.
Get back.
Hold on. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Well, we stuck with 10. We did 10 drops, more or less. We'll stir that. What's it looking like?
Slime.
Yeah? But is it looking a little slimier?
Ew, that's slime.
Here, hold your hand up.
Oh, man.
Is that gross?
Yeah.
Hold on. Hey, what do we say about flinging?
Slime, that's slime. Yeah, slime.
Yeah, slime. Ew, slime. Remember, when we fling our hands, it goes everywhere. So we want to just use a paper towel, right? I think we could put a couple more drops of the STB solution in there. I think we can get a little globbier. Can you count one more time for me? 1,
2, 3, 4.
wait. We're at 3, 4. That was perfect. Good counting. Oh yeah, that's much globbier. Can you hold that out for me? Set that right there. Hudson, do you hear that?
I heard it. Oh man, I heard it.
You heard it?
I heard it.
What kind of sound does that make?
Club.
Mommy, can we get another cup? No, mason jar. I don't know why that sounded southern when I just asked for that mason jar. Hudson, can you pour this into this glass?
Yeah.
Let me see you do it. Oh, very nice. Can you pour it back into there? That's some very good pouring skills. But hey, remember, same with the hands. We don't want to jiggle too much. Put your hand in there and see if you can pull that glob out. Try to pull, yeah, go ahead. whole thing. The whole thing. Grab the whole thing. Weird. Oh my gosh. Hey Hudson, you know this. Wait, hold on. You ready? Oh gosh. Whoop.
What the? Is that a blob?
It's a blob.
Ew.
Ew.
That's gross.
It is gross. Maybe we could have added more STB solution. It's not globby enough, I don't think. Hudson, do you know what? Wait.
Hey, Rangle. What?
Is that gross?
Yeah.
Does it look like snot?
Yeah. Hey, Rangle.
What?
STP is slime.
STB this slime?
STP is slime. That's gross. That's the STP is slime.
We need more STP. STB.
STP is slime.
Sodium tetraborate. I think we're gonna have to do it again next time because we already poured it out of our glass. What do you think of our slime?
You like?
You like it?
Yeah. Okay.
So we're gonna try adding some colors.
Rainbows.
Some rainbows. What color is that?
Blue.
What color is that?
Yellow.
What color is that?
Red.
Which color do you want to use first?
Rainbow.
I'm assuming you mean all the colors, but which one first?
I want to see rainbow, please.
Well, which color first? We're gonna do one at a time.
No, well, Hudson. I want to see rainbow.
We can't do them all at the same time.
Okay, let's do blue.
Blue?
Blue, yeah. Go, 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 go. Get yours. Get yours. Look it! Hurry up! Okay, do the yellow.
Do the yellow?
Yeah, yellow, yeah.
Good idea to wipe the slime off before adding colors.
And the blue.
This is
Yellow.
yeah, yellow. That's right. Ooh.
Yellow. Okay, choose the blue and yellow, okay?
Now we did blue and yellow. So when we open, hey, hot tip. When we open things like this, we want to keep the top up, okay?
Okay, choose the red and red.
Oh, red with the yellow and blue.
Yeah. Go, 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 go.
Wow, that's pretty.
Look at this.
Should
Oh,
we-
it's going, it's going.
What is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Let's have it, let's have it.
Touch it? Yeah, go
Oh! Is it here?
ahead.
Oh my god, it blew up. Look at this, baby. It's like a rainbow.
There's a rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, remember, no flinging your hands, okay?
Like a rainbow, baby.
So
Wow.
it's not the most consistent slime, but again, we might not have added enough STB solution. Is that cool?
Yeah, baby.
I don't know where you got that from. All right, Hudson, I think we're done here. Should we say goodbye? Should we say goodbye?
Yeah. I go back and tell them one more thing. I say they were there. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, I just want to.